Hello everyone, this is Beeliner. The second topic is how to create activities. To create a new activity, select New Activity from the main menu at the top of the screen, right here. Or place the mouse cursor anywhere in the chart area, right-click, and select New Activity from the pop-up menu. When New Activity is selected, the New Activity dialog box will appear. For detailed information about each input field in the New Activity window, please refer to page 58 of the user manual. In the New Activity window, enter the following information. Activity ID is A010 and activity title excavation, and duration is 30. Then click OK. A new activity named excavation will be created in both the grid view and chart view. Next, let's create and connect a successor activity to excavation. Place the mouse cursor over excavation and right-click from the pop-up menu, select New Activity. The activity ID will automatically increase by 10, and A020 will be displayed. Enter the following information. Activity title, foundation, and duration is 20. For the linkage field, blank it or enter 0. This will establish a BDM relationship of 0, meaning that the successor activity starts immediately after the predecessor activity is completed. For a detailed explanation of BDM relationships, please refer to page 6 and 7 of the user manual. The foundation activity will be created in both the grid view and the chart view, and the BDM relationship 0 between excavation and foundation will be displayed. Right here. Next, let's look at the Beeliner's most convenient features, displaying the grid view and chart view on separate monitors. At the upper left corner of the screen, you will find the ribbon menu containing frequently used command. Click the icon Separate Chart window. You can also access this feature by selecting Separate Chart window from the Utilities menu. This one. The chart view will then be detached into a separate window. Drag the detached chart view a second monitor and maximize the window. Like this. This allows all grid view columns to remain visible on the left monitor while the chart view is displayed in a large format on the right monitor. Now explore one of the most powerful features of the BDM technique, the two-way multiple overlapping relationship. Assume that the earth retaining wall activity starts 5 days after the excavation activity begins. Place the mouse cursor over excavation, right-click, and select New Activity from the pop-up menu. The activity ID A030 will be assigned automatically, and the following information. Activity title, Earth retaining wall, duration is 30. Linkage is 5-0. Then click OK. A new activity named Earth Retaining Wall will be created above excavation, and a BDM relationship of 5-0 will be established between the two activities. Now suppose that phase 2 of the earth retaining work can begin when excavation has progressed for 15 days and earth retaining work has progressed for 10 days. In this case, an additional BDM relationship must be added between excavation and earth retaining work. To do this, place a mouse cursor over excavation and right-click. From the Power menu, select New Relation. A red dashes line will appear between excavation and the mouse pointer. Move the pointer to earth retaining work and click it. The New Relation dialog box will appear. Enter 15-10 in the linkage field and click OK. An additional BDM relationship of 15-10 will now be added between excavation and earth retaining work. Right here. Next, assume that a reverse direction BDM relationship of 15-23 is required from earth retaining work back to excavation. To create this relationship, place the mouse cursor over earth retaining work and right-click, and select New Relation. A red dashed line will appear between earth retaining work and mouse pointer. Move the pointer to excavation and click it. The New Relation dialog box will appear. Enter 15-23 in the linkage field and click OK. A new reverse direction BDM relationship of 15-23 will be added from earth retaining work to excavation. Right here. This example demonstrates the unique capability of the BDM technique to model complex, overlapping work sequences through multiple forward and reverse relationship between activities. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.